Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. We're here with Bronner. Bronner, last day of the year. This is dropping off all the brackets and that for a kit set client. We're in the beautiful Tauranga Valley above Thames.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, it is gorgeous. Talk me through, how did this client end up with us? What happened, Bronner?
Well, almost to the day, about 12 months ago, he came to us and he was quite frustrated with another shed company that had done the plans, consented it all, and then ghosted him for over 6 months, and he didn't have a solution or a plan, and he wanted to get this incredibly huge building built. So he came to us with the plans, said, can we do anything? We went away and had a look and came back and said, yeah, we can. And so here we are building it.
Yeah, it was awesome. We've been able to help it out. Shout out to Shane in operations and behind the camera, because it's not our normal shed system. Some of it is, but it's a slightly different things. We could work with our suppliers, but we had to get all these custom brackets made, and so it's a little bit different, but people are always approaching us, and he's a good guy. He wanted his house built, he wanted to do it himself, so we'll be checking in on this site again, but otherwise, yeah, can't look to see this build. Check out the epic views we've got going on around here.
G'day guys, how's it going? I'm here with Paul. How are you, Paul?
Good, mate.
Really excited about this one. What we've got is a kit set. So this client's brought this kit set off us and he was keen to build the whole thing himself, the real dream. And once he'd got it on site, he realised he's a busy man and he doesn't have all the time in the world. So what we said is, hey, we'll come on with all our machinery and tools and know-how and stand all the frames for him. So we've done a deal and we're here to do that for him. He's also on site working with us, so he gets to be hands-on throughout the whole build. And we're building portals. What are some of the specs you've got for us, Paul?
High specs. This is obviously going to be his house as well as his workshop. So it's personally it's over-engineered, but it is a high wind zone. And so it's not blowing anywhere. If there's an emergency or a big, storm or tornado, I'm coming here. So, but yeah, it's a serious industrial build for a home, really. It's got double bloody everything, and the strength in this building, a 10-meter building, is the strongest I've ever built in my entire 25 years of life. Now the 25, okay, yeah.
Paul's built more sheds than I've had hot dinners, so that's saying something about how strong it is. We say strength by design, and it's just blowing it out of the water here. We're actually in the Tauranga Valley, which is full of beautiful swimming holes, so maybe after work you'll see me grabbing a knee and doing a bomb into the water, so it's going to be fantastic. We've got 11 portals going up through the whole thing. And this one's a bit different, as Paul said. The back of it's going to be a workshop, so that's just going to be our traditional top hats, tin on it, normal, and then as he goes through this way, he's getting steel house is making up all his walls. They're going to be 150 thick. That's about a normal average shucker out there, if you've got to measure that, about 150, and that's going to come with all the openings already created in it and everything like that. So it's just going to be quite easy by that stage for him to stand it and get some really good progress.
Yeah, he's going to take over once we've done the hard yards and got all these portals up and in place and get it all nice and square and looking like a frame, and then he's got the hard part of, well, it's going to be hard for him in this if it's windy, but he's got to line it and seal it and windows and all that. But that's his gig. We're, as Mark pointed out, we're doing the bit where we've got the tools. And of course, Tool Shed have helped us with that, made it all happen. So this is how we roll. Good gear, good work ethics, and good company to work with.
Yeah, so no, absolutely beautiful. So we'll do a few updates along the way, show you guys how it goes. And as he was asking while we were having lunch before he's had to pop off to his job, about a few tips and tricks on which way is he going to lay his eye and how's he going to fool his gutters. And that's the beauty when you go with Waikato Shed Company. You've got a good backup service. You've got guys like us on the end of the line that build the sheds. Ring ring, yeah. How's this? Paul here to help. So we'll be able to help him, guide him along the way. So it just makes sense. Buy a kit set, live that Kiwi dream, build your own house, but there's always help along the way if you need it.
Yep, sing out.
Yep.
Let your fingers do the walking.
Yeah, let your mouth do the talking. Oh well, peace out.
We better get this thing out of the ground for him.
Yeah,
He's been waiting for a while now, apparently.
yeah. Go, cheers.